In this video, I'll show you how to see all the answers in Google Form. Step 1. Open your Google Form and click Responses. Open the Google Form website and sign in. Open the form you want to check answers for. Click on the Responses tab at the top to view all response data. Step 2. Explore Summary, Question and Individual Views. Summary. See charts and visual summaries of responses. Question. View all answers grouped by each question. Individual. See each respondent's full submission one by one. Step 3. Link responses to Google Sheets. In the Responses tab, click the green Sheets icon. Choose to create a new sheet or select an existing one. All responses will be automatically exported and updated here for detailed analysis. Step 4. View answers in Google Sheets. Open the linked Google Sheet to browse all collected answers in table format. Use filtering, sorting, and formulas to analyze the data as needed. Step 5. Manage access and sharing options. Only form owners and collaborators can see full responses by default. Use Show Summary of Responses option to share aggregated data publicly. Share linked Google Sheets with view-only access for selective sharing. And that's how you see all answers in Google Form. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.